Lord, my feet cold. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish back in the POV, man. As y'all can see, we are back in my lovely 500 horsepower stage 2 M340. Today's POV, bro, it's gonna be something quick and simple, cause I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was prepared for this video, but my dumb self did not pack multiple batteries for my GoPro, so I'm on real slim battery life right now. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you go ahead and drop a like, comment, and leave me a follow, cause we going crazy, bro. I know I told y'all that in my post I said I was gonna start bringing more consistent content for y'all. That way I can get back on that. I can get back in my groove, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanna turn this channel up, bro. Like right now, I haven't told nobody, but my plans for this car, bro, I got some plans for this car. Now, I'm probably not gonna be in this car too much longer. It really just depends on how everything goes, but for right now, I'm trying to make the best out of my car and have more fun in it, bring more content for y'all to see. Especially for those of y'all that love BMWs, bro, and thinking about getting one of these. It's a lovely car. Like real lovely car, bro. Like I be having hella fun in this thing, not gonna lie. It's like the perfect daily. The gas on it, y'all can see, bro, as y'all can see right here, I'm like a little bit over a half and I got 216 miles. And mind you, my car is modded, I do drive aggressive, but I also take good care of my car. Like on a full tank, I'm getting 400 miles, literally. And that's because I literally take care of my car. Like I don't be driving it all crazy and doing all that extra excess cutting up. I think I told you that in the previous video. Unless I'm doing a video like this, then I kind of push my limits with my car. But other than that, bro, it's a lovely car. Y'all can see, lovely car. What was I about to say? Today is Sunday. I think it's the 20 something. It's the 20 something. I don't really know the exact date, but I just been chilling, man. I ain't really been doing nothing too much. Just been in the crib, watching videos, editing videos for my main channel. For those of y'all that are new to this channel, this is not my only YouTube channel. I actually have a total of 3 or 4 different YouTube channels that I be on. And 2 of those channels nobody knows about. I just post on them, feel me? But I be trying to figure out, like in these POVs, do y'all like when I talk or do y'all want me to be quiet and just drive? You know what I'm saying? Because one of my most viewed videos that got like one of the most views on it, I talked in that video. I talked and then I gave a little mixture of like me not talking. So y'all got a little difference of both. Feel me? Y'all got a mixture of both. And yes, I'm using my turn signals. I already know. I gotta say this every video, cause I know y'all not used to BMW drivers using their turn signals, but I use mine. It just helped me kind of be in groove. You know what I'm saying? If y'all got any questions as far as like BMW wise, my tunes and all of that stuff, what I'm running, what all I got done on the car, honestly, it's just a basic stage 2 tune. I'm running an off-the-shelf tune right now, like right off the shelf on MHD. What is that, 2.3? I don't know what that is. It's a Mustang though. But anyway, I'm running an off-the-shelf tune. I got my burble settings. Right now I'm on map 3. I'm on a multi-map tune. I'm on map 3. I got my burbles. I think I have my burble settings at like 1 second. And I have it on the aggressive style is I think it's OEM aggressive style or something like that. Or no, it's medium. It's medium aggressive style. And I got the burbles on OEM. So that's what I'm running. As far as the mods, y'all know the basic downpipe, catalyst downpipe, charge pipe, all that stuff. I'm on lower springs. The car is matte. It's wrapped with a black. It's a black satin wrap. It really honestly looks like a matte black, but it's satin. But it looks matte. But yeah, we running that. And then we got the chrome super stocks, as y'all see. Well, y'all haven't seen it, I haven't got out the car yet, but we got chrome super stocks. I do need to order myself a new front lip though, which I'm gonna show y'all when I get out the car. I need to order a new front lip because the one I got on right now, bro, I had to get my car towed. I don't know if I told y'all, but I had to get my car towed for my when my car had messed up. I had dropped a piece of plastic fell inside my engine bay, and I had to take it to a shop to get it fixed, like get the plastic took out my engine. And the stupid tow truck guy, bro, he acted like he didn't know what he was doing, and he scratched my whole entire front lip up. So now I'm missing a piece of my front lip, and now it just looks tacky, bro. So I gotta order a new one. I'm probably gonna order it off eBay or something. I know the last one I bought, it was like $60. I'm just ordering. I'm gonna order it, and then I'm gonna put it on. I'm actually probably gonna order 2 of those things because for whatever reason, front lips cannot last in my car. I don't know what it is, but they cannot last. So we might have to just order 2 of those to be safe. Just to be safe. Right now I'm trying to lock in on the road, you know what I'm saying? That's one thing about me. Like, we trying to lock in on the road. Make sure I'm giving y'all the content that y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? Because I really care about my supporters, bro. I love to see what y'all say in the comments. How y'all like the videos, if y'all like the videos, what y'all don't like, what y'all do like. I try my hardest to keep y'all entertained. Cause like, I have fun every day when I get inside my car, but these videos really don't do no justice, bro. Like, I feel like y'all really would not be able to tell how much fun it is to have a car like this until you actually behind the wheel driving it. Like, I let one of my partners drive my car, and he had fun in it. And I'm pretty sure he would never know what it was like to drive this car from a video. Ooh, that's an AMG. Ooh, that's an AMG. You like a coupe though. But yeah, I feel like y'all would never know what it's like to drive one of these things, bro. From based off a video. Like, you would literally have to get inside the car, be behind it, and actually drive it to really feel the power, to really feel like the whole hype behind having one of these cars. Cause I generally love it. Like, it's fun, reliable, and as y'all can see, it's good on gas. In my case, there's other BMW owners that their car not good on gas. And mine was like, at first, when I first got it, I was only getting like 220 miles on a full tank of gas. Now, as y'all can see, it's like I'm getting way better gas mileage. So this is a lovely car, bro. I just like a police officer, bro. Y'all see how fast I just hit my brakes? It's like a damn police officer, bro. I hate people that own that, like people that buy the type of cars that make me so mad. Cause why, like, what possesses you to go buy a car that looks like that, bro? I hate that. I literally hate them Tahoes. I hate the Ford Expeditions. I hate those Chargers that look like police cars. I hate them all. Like, you generally choose to buy that type of car for what? Like, what's your reason behind buying that car? You look just like a damn police interceptor. That is a police interceptor, bro. What the hell? That's so annoying, bro. That is so annoying. I ain't gonna lie. Like, you generally bought that car to ride on the road like that, and it looks literally just like a police interceptor, bro. Like, let me slow down so y'all can try to get a better look, and then you get it behind me. This might actually be a damn police car. Cause why is he trailing me like that, bro? Hold on, y'all. I want y'all to see this shit. Look at this thing when it passed by. I want y'all to see it up close and personal. Like you generally went and got that vehicle and you on the road. Come on, pass me up so I can see this shit. Pass me up. I want y'all to look at this bullshit. Look at this bullshit. Y'all see that? Literally. Hold on. Let me start a little bit. That is a police interceptor vehicle, bro. And he got the gold mirror thing on the side. And he got the light light bar in the front. And he driving around like that. That should be illegal, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's hella annoying. Oh my god. So annoying. That right there just ruined my experience. Like, I ain't gonna lie, that right there just killed my whole vibe. Cause you generally went and got a car like that. But anyways, man, I'm about to figure out somewhere to pull over. Cause my camera is, like, the battery life is running down. I just wanted to get on here and film a little POV for y'all, just so I can stay consistent and run this channel up, bro. So that's what we're doing. Come on, Subaru, bro. I guarantee you it's an old man driving that thing, bro. I guarantee you somebody old driving it, because I seen the bald head. Yup, most definitely an old person. How did I know? Well, no, let me take that back. That don't necessarily mean he old because he got a bald head, but he a little bit older, if you feel me, if you get what I'm saying. Damn, what the hell? Okay, this road is real sketchy. All them rocks in my car. Ooh, yeah, man. If y'all was wondering the hype behind one of these cars, bro, we'll get y'all one. It's lovely. We love it. We're gonna pull over to the side real quick, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Yeah. There we go. Boom. Ugh. Woo. Alright, man, and that right there, as y'all can see, is my lovely BMW, bro. Let me show y'all the front of my car. I don't know if I can see it. Let me see. This right here, front lip is missing. That side got the lip, that side don't. But I love y'all, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Your boy Fish is out. Peace.